Welcome to Best Eating Home Cooking. Today we looking something new. We say you come on evening home from work and you don't have a power to making something bigger eat. You needed something easy, something leicht, and you want to watching a good movie on the TV. So first, before you, we're looking today two choices. But first, before you are beginning, you need the rakija. This is the domaća rakija. The rakija is the great aperitif. It's the biggest aperitif and is just the nature. Prost. So, first we choose the looking is the Jäger salata, domaća Lovačka salata, but you must be careful because if you like this eating is your Lovačka on this and nobody want to eat. You take this in the little bit chasa. So much you want to eat. So you have a little bit you want to eat, okay, you say this is enough. Great. Lovačka salata coming from Baranja. You want to know where is Baranja? We have the map. On the map you see on this part. This part is in Croatian, near to Serbia and the Hungary. And the biggest city and the capital city from Baranja, it's the Beli Manastir. In the Beli Manastir you have the great building, the name Ljepotica. Okay, Baranja on the Ljepotica. And this is from Baranja. Okay, you're cutting the broad on the little bit scheibe, and how you say we have to dye again the kürbiskernbrot. Kürbiskernbrot. And you're eating. It's great. Super. Okay. But I'll show you the another choice. The another choice. The another choice. We're taking the first cutting from the salata, but we make it. The rakija is hotting. Kosana mast. The kosana mast is from the every best part on this world. The kosana mast coming from Međimurje. You don't know where is Međimurje? You don't hear where is Međimurje? I'll show you. Međimurje, it's here. Here. It's in the Croatian. It's nearly close to Slovenia and the Hungary. Međimurje, it's like this, Međimurje. The biggest city is the Čakovec, but the capital city is the Sveta Marija. It is the best part for kosana mast. You need kosana mast and you're smearing the great kosana mast. Look at this. This is just right for evening to looking on TV. I'm becoming slimming. So, but yes, the kosana mast is great. You can tuning with the češnjak. Your češnjak you're cutting and giving on the kosana mast. Great. But you must be carefully, because if tomorrow you're walking in a bureau, every woman be from you. It's not good. Eat today, if you tomorrow don't do walking. All you take, look. Onion, it's not so good, but look is better. Okay. But if you say, I have so gusto for češnjak, you can take this. It's a salt with češnjak without aroma. You're eating and tomorrow you can kissing every woman in the bureau. Or you take everything hot. Hot like Feuerzauber. Okay, this is then be a little bit hotter. It's a good, great. So, you eating this, but you have Durst. Good. You have Durst, you must be lushing Durst. What you take? You take a small beer. Today we have a small beer from Yellen beer. The Yellen beer have a small bottle from 2 liter. 2 liter is enough for one movie. Okay, you have an easy evening to movie with kosana mast or a salata and a small beer. Don't forget it, rakija. It's the best part on the beginning. You don't know from what coming Yellen beer. I'll show you. Yellen beer come from Apatin, but sorry, Apatin don't on this map. Apatin is here. I forget the printing. Apatin is on Serbia, near to somewhere, near to Baranja. You see, Baranja, Apatin. Beer, Jägersalat. Great evening. Thank you. Come again. You have great evening. Mahlzeit.